Welcome to another how-to by Schlagel Manufacturing, the Posi-Close Wheel. 3 settings allow you to customize your wheels to work in a wide range of conditions, allowing for better seed-to-soil contact and preventing crusting and baking. For the standard setting, place a bushing on each side of the wheel. This setting works best for most soil conditions. For the mesh setting, place both bushings on the outside of the wheel. This setting offers a more aggressive closing of the trench. For the swapped setting, swap your left and right wheels and place the bushings on the inside of the wheels. For all configurations, the wheel fingers should be pointing back. Schlagel Manufacturing. By farmers, for farmers.